shit. My bad.
Alright, whenever you're set.
What's the Instagram again?
Flapjack Sandwich.
Flapjack Sandwich. And you are.
Oh, I'm Dan. Dan Hour.
Dan, aka Flapjack.
Yeah.
Okay.
I've been known
And you
as
are
Flapjack since I was
Joe. Okay.
No flapjack.
So here.
Yeah. Push it. Shit. Oh shit. My bad. Did I mess you up, bro?
What's that?
Did I mess you up?
No.
I screamed get it right before you screwed up. I feel like that was on me. Yeah. It's a nice looking bike. Plus I want to get the guy that's gonna win the competition.
Oh, I'm gonna say that, yeah, these guys over here looking good.
What's your name?
Cooper.
Cooper. This is Cooper's Orbea. What version
Orbea.
is it? Orbea. I apologize, Orbea. Harmon, my last time.
Harmon, your fastest time is 1:48.28, but your last time, what number was that?
Oh, it was worse than that.
1:48, yeah, 1:48.27.
They were both at the same time. It's pretty much okay. Thanks. I'm gonna try the hardtail, see if that's any better. It's lighter though. It's 26 pounds versus 24 versus 36 pounds. What?
So, yeah, that's your fastest.
Felt like it was slower. I slid out. Holy cow. Oh yeah. It's got the box.
Alright, so you get the thing from the prize package if you want a t-shirt. These are Grey Ghost t-shirts. These are Grey Ghost insulated mugs. And Grey Ghost water bottle, so you can pick.
Nice.
But the women all left. But for the men, third place, Kevin Lehman, 130.20.
Yeah.
Here's your cookie. It's not a huge cookie, but
Something.
those are insulated. These are Grey Ghost shirts. All right. Second place, Peter Goebel.
Yeah.
128.50.
Yeah.
Thank you. And first place, Cooper Ward, 128.30.
Yeah, Cooper.
The giant cookie.
We eat all at once.
What was that, 2/10?
Calling that a cookie?
How much did you beat him by?
2/10.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's a pie.
Well, 2/10 is like a tread width, like, or a tire width or something.
Photo finish.
All right, this is my amateur film director. You want to say your name for the YouTube audience?
No.
Oh, come on. What's your first name?
Estelle.
All right, you're gonna be popular. All right.
The photo editor.
Yes. So that's Mark and daughter Estelle,
Hi.
professional future photographer. All right.